Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we've got the 1978 GMC Sierra Classic. Good old 350 small block. Oh yeah, this thing is sick. Just oh, what a glorious sound. Actually, that's a much wider bed than what we have nowadays. Oh, this thing's, no, don't tell me it's got duals. It's got duals. Oh, this sounds so good. I could sit here all day. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this thing. And it drives so sorted. It drives so well. The seat obviously is not factory, but man. Oh, what a glorious car. Come here. Truck. No backup camera. Who cares? Do have a sun visor though. Oh, that throttle pedal is so touchy compared to the Bourbon. That Bourbon, you actively had to push the pedal. This one, it just kind of is nice. This thing is so sorted. You got disc fronts, drum rears, and this was back when disc brakes were a big thing. So the brake pedal says disc brakes on it. It's, I miss these days. I wasn't around for them, but back when simplicity was a thing. And I have to say, after driving the Bourbon and this, I want one of these trucks so bad. I don't need a muscle truck or anything like that, but just having something like this to cruise around town in would be freaking awesome. It's so funny because every single time I drive a classic truck, car, truck, I just want one more and more. There's just nothing like it. It's just such a unique experience that, oh. I could just cruise. I'm sorry I'm silent on this one. I don't know much about these trucks. I just don't. I wasn't around when they were new, and I didn't expect to be driving them today. And those are sick. Good old Farmall tractors. It's just one of those take it in kind of experiences, and I love it, man. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.